English idioms for certain situations. Wondering what are the most common English phrases for daily situations? Let's explore them all. To ask how someone is doing, what's up, how's it going, what's new? To say how you are doing, could be better, pretty good, same as always. To thank somebody, I really appreciate it, I'm really grateful. To accept someone's thank, no problem, don't mention it, anytime. To end a conversation, it was good catching up, I have to return to my work. To say you don't have any idea, I can't help you there, beats me. To agree with somebody, exactly, absolutely, that's for sure, I suppose so. To disagree with somebody, I'm not sure about that, that's not how I see it. To respond to good news, how wonderful, awesome, I'm so glad to hear. To respond to bad news, how terrible/awful, oh no, terrible, if you need anything, I am here. To invite someone, are you free, do you wanna, how about? To apologize, I apologize for, I'm sorry, it's my fault. For food, I'm starving. For price, that's a good deal, it was dirt cheap, very inexpensive, that's a ripoff, overpriced. For weather, freezing, very cold, chilly, unpleasantly cold, boiling, very hot.